Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to put together upper and lower AR-15 receivers. Building your own AR-15 can be a rewarding experience, but it requires careful attention to detail and adherence to safety protocols. We'll start by understanding the basic components and the essential tools you'll need. Always prioritize safety throughout the entire process. Let's get started on this exciting journey of firearm assembly. Now, let's dive into assembling the lower receiver, which is the serialized part of your firearm. We'll begin by installing the trigger guard and magazine catch, followed by the intricate fire control group, including the hammer and trigger. Next, attach the pistol grip and the buffer tube assembly. Remember to ensure all pins and springs are correctly seated for reliable function. Precision is key here. Moving on to the upper receiver, we'll start by installing the forward assist and the ejection port cover. The next crucial step involves attaching the barrel and the gas system components, which are vital for the rifle's operation. Then, carefully insert the bolt carrier group and the charging handle. Always verify proper alignment and function of all these parts to ensure a safe and effective firearm. Finally, it's time to join the assembled upper and lower receivers, bringing your AR-15 to life. Once connected, perform a thorough function check to ensure every component operates smoothly and as intended. Crucially, conduct a comprehensive safety check of the entire firearm before any live fire activities. Remember to review proper maintenance and cleaning procedures to keep your rifle in top condition for years to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.